Welcome, clarinet players, to the video I've been talking about, getting over the break. So first off, what is the break on clarinet? It's different for your instrument than many other instruments because how you separate the different ranges of clarinet is decided by different fingerings, how you get the air to go through the reed, and then also range, simply that. When I play trumpet, or if I was playing trombone, I was moving into different ranges. It's more just focus on the airstream and how to vibrate my lips faster. On clarinet, for example, it's more about the fingerings that you're playing as well as airstream. So getting over the break is the hump to getting into the next register. So we can typically play in the lowest register right now, down to as low as our, Fs and Gs down here, because we started off with Cs here. Before just going into the break, I like to do a couple little exercises to help you out with it, so you know what you're listening for. Because a lot of us hear the upper clarinet range and we forget that it's a little brighter. It's not as dark as when we were doing some of the other things in our depth range down here. So it's going to be brighter if I go and I use my register key in the back, this long one, to play in the upper register. Take a listen. So you'll notice as I get much more of a bright, articulate sound playing in there. And the only difference between those two was holding down my register key while doing my thumb key at the same time. Now, exercise I like to do is start on the notes you know. You know how to play C. Ready? And what I like to do is play C, add the register key, take it away. So you're going to go C, G, C. So now I sang the wrong pitch, but it's supposed to sound like this. You'll notice that's a very high jump. It is over an octave when you hear that and you listen to that. So for saxophone, when they push that back key, it goes literally from I'm singing here, now it's an octave up, but you're going higher than an octave, hence why I call it the register key. It pushes you into the next register of the instrument. I'll try to do that again from the side here. So you notice that when I do that and add the register, I'm really getting into not a screaming range, but it's higher. So the idea is when you first try this, it may not come out clear. You may squeak. May sound like your clarinet's yelling at you. It's all about practicing using the register key first before you go into just saying, oh, I'm just going to play a C now or a B with my pinky fingers in my register key. Typically, I like to start on C and then go down. So I would go C to B to A to G. So here's my exercise. So as I went down, I did use pinky keys, and the main pinky keys I used here was my right pinky, bottom outside key here, and then my inside key here to get to the low range of my clarinet, depths of the Fs and the Es down there. So that is a little exercise I would do if you want to start using the register key. And you say you want to. I hope you start using it because as we play more, you'll need to get into that upper register to play those higher notes. So again, starting on C and you add register key. I'll show you one more time from the side. And that would be a great way to start getting you to use the register key again versus saying, hey, let's go from playing an A with one finger to adding everything for our next B. So try those exercises out. Hopefully they help you, and we'll talk to you soon.